welcome to English class. In today's class, we're looking at the application of countable and uncountable nouns. Objectives are to revise the concept of countable and uncountable nouns, revise some examples of countable and uncountable nouns, and also to answer applied questions on countable and uncountable nouns. From your previous classes, I want to believe that you know that countable nouns can be counted and uncountable nouns can be counted. Okay, so that's the basic concept. And we can have examples: countable nouns, book, bag, house, and so on. Uncountable nouns: education, advice, information, baggage, and so on. Now, we want to look at how to make uncountable nouns countable. And we can do that through the use of what we call partitives, or we can also use quantifiers. But let's look at partitives first. So we can have partitives like a piece, a slice, a cup, a glass, an item, and so on. And some quantifiers we can use include any, much, little, a lot of. We can have a bar of chocolates, a glass of water, much water. Okay, so we've converted uncountable nouns to countable using partitives or quantifiers. For example, we can say a plot of land or 2 plots of land, a piece of advice, any money, a lot of blood, some information. Now, let's look at some applied questions in English lexicon structure based on countable and uncountable nouns. Number 1, they packed there and went home. So we can have these options. The correct answer will be B, bags and baggage. Why is that so? Bag is actually countable, but baggage is uncountable. All right, so its singular or plural form stays the same. The police obtained that could help in their investigation. Okay, so do we say many information, an information, some information, or some informations? C will be the correct answer. Some information. And why? The word information is suitably used with the quantifier some. Uncountable nouns do not collocate with indefinite articles. Yeah, so we can't really say an information. No. So we say some information. Number 3, they were given at a 5-star hotel. What do you think is the answer? Okay, I think the answer is accommodation. That's option A. Now, accommodation as used in this context is uncountable, therefore can be used with an indefinite article. We can't say an accommodation. As it's used in the sentence, it shows that it's an uncountable noun. There, good news contained in this letter. Okay, so do we say good news? Are some good news? Is it good news? Or is some good news? Simply, the answer is some good news. There is some good news contained in this letter. Why is that so? Okay, as a general rule, uncountable nouns agree with singular verbs. So we say, is some good news. I'm going to display some questions now with a timer. And you're going to try to answer those questions within the given time. Number 1. Your time starts now. And we have the answer. Kindly help yourself to sugar. I want to know how much sugar you may require. So the answer is A. Number 2. Read the question carefully. And your time starts now. So our answer is all the items of furniture in the building were destroyed. Option D. Next question. And your time starts now. Okay, so we say enough equipment. The workers were provided with enough equipment to do the job. Next question. And your time starts now. And our answer is arms and ammunition. The military squad was applied with arms and ammunition to enhance the combat effectiveness. Right? So this is how we can apply the knowledge of countable and uncountable nouns in answering questions on lexis and structure. I'd love to encourage you to do more, and have a great day.